my dear students. Myself Dr. Nilesh Kumar Gupta. I am working as a professor in EC department at AKGC Ghaziabad. So, today I will cover next on FFT. My lecture title is Fast Fourier Transform second part, and it is under your course of 5th semester, that is Digital Signal Processing. Its AK2 code is KEC 503. So, I will cover today FFT algorithm. In last class, I covered about the DIT FFT, that is Decimation in Time Fast Fourier Transform. Now, I will teach you about the DIF FFT, Decimation in Frequency Fast Fourier Transform, and these are the FFT algorithms under the divide and conquer approach, and this algorithm, that is DIF FFT or DIT FFT, these both are under the divide and conquer approach for FFT algorithm. Why I am designing FFT algorithm? Because in DFT your calculation and process is so lengthy and complex. So, to overcome those limitations in DFT, whenever you are interested to calculate Fourier transform of discrete time signal, we are using here fast Fourier transform. Again, I want to calculate Fourier transform of our discrete time signal and system. Okay. So, this is for the generally this is the purpose of this these algorithms are is to calculate Fourier transform for discrete time signals. Okay. So, let us see about the FFT algorithms. So, in decimation in time, we have to split our sequences in time domain. Now, decimation in frequency, it means you have to split your sequences in frequency domain, like in same manner. You have to split, you have to divide your sequences into equal parts in even and odd number of sequences. All the processes are almost same, but you have to split your sequences in frequency domain, or you can say in DFT, that you are calculating finally from the input sequence into the output sequence. So, decimation in frequency algorithms, DIF algorithms. Okay. So, decimation in time FFT algorithm decomposes the DFT by sequentially splitting your input sequence x of n, small x of n, in the time domain into sets of smaller and smaller subsequences, and then form a weighted combination of the DFT of these subsequences. So, in DIT FFT you have to split your time domain sequences into smaller part, and with the weighted some weighted signals, weighted coefficients also you have to taken here, like you can say Tidal factors. Okay. Now, another algorithm or another scenario, you can say another alternative of DIT FFT, that is the DIF FFT, decimation in frequency FFT algorithm. It decomposes DFT by recursively splitting the sequence element x of k. Now, again you have to split your sequences like DIT FFT, but you have to split here capital X of k. In DIT FFT you are splitting small x of n. Okay. In DIF FFT you are splitting capital X of k. Now, you have to split your x of k in the frequency domain, and you have to form these into sets of smaller subsequences and drive the decimation in frequency fast Fourier algorithms for n, and power of 2. It means if I am taking radix 2, so it will be power of 2, because radix 2 it means your number of sequences, your capital N should be multiple of 2, then it will be radix 2. So, now you can see in DIF FFT algorithm what will be the expression, what will be the equation. As per the designed equation, you have to design your DIF FFT algorithm. Now, you know x of k is equal to small summation small n 0 to n by 2 minus 1 small x of n into w n n k. W n, that is Tidal factor, that I explained earlier to you. Okay. Then n by 2 to n minus 1, because your sequences of length of capital N. So, you have to go from 0 to n minus 1. At first, you are taking the limit for 0 to n by 2 minus 1, then n by 2 to n minus 1 for the same sequence. Now, n 0 to n by 2 minus 1 x of n into w of n n k, and this sequence also of because you are dividing here your n into two equal parts, n by 2 n by 2. So, both the sequences are of length of n by 2 here. Okay. That is why you are taking the summation limit from n 0 small n 0 to capital N by 2 minus 1. Again you can take for this also the limit for, because its duration is also capital N by 2, okay, because you are going from n by 2 to n minus 1. So, it will be summation from n 0 to capital N by 2 minus 1. Now, the signal will be shifted by the n by 2. Okay. So, x small n plus capital N by 2 into w n n in the place of n, you have to put small n plus n by 2 k. Now, you have to solve this. Okay. So, this is as usual, it will be same, but here because you find here two terms, if we split the w n n plus n by 2 k, this is the Tidal factor. So, you will find what, this w n n by 2 k into summation n 0 to n by 2 minus 1 x of small n plus n by 2 into w n n k. This is your equation number 1. Okay. Now, you have to calculate this value here, what, this one, this is what, w n n by 2 k. So, you know w n is equal to e to the power minus ka j 2 pi by n. So, e to the power minus ka j 2 pi by n into n by 2 k. Now, n cancel out, 2 to cancel out. So, it will be e to the power minus ka j pi. Okay. So, it will be cos pi k minus j sin pi k. You know cos pi is equal to minus 1 and sin pi is equal to 0. So, it will be minus 1 to the power k. Now, you have to put the value of this here, what, minus 1 to the power k. So, your equation number 1 becomes x of k is equal to summation small n 0 to n by 2 minus 1 small x of n w n n k, okay, plus here you have to put the value of this here minus 1 to the power k summation from small n 0 to n by 2 minus 1 to x small n plus n by 2 into w n n k. Now, the summation limits of both the terms are same. So, you have to take it in commonly. Okay. So, it will be summation n 0 to n by 2 minus 1. Now, what will remain, x n plus minus 1 to the power k into x of n plus n by 2, and this coefficient is also common, w n n k. So, this is your equation number 2. So, first time during the designing of these algorithms, this it seems for us this is the lengthy process, but after designing the FFT algorithm, it will be so easy for us for calculating the discrete Fourier transform. Okay. Now, two different forms of the equations are obtained here, depending upon whether your k is even or odd. Okay. Now, you have to split this. Okay. This equation you are getting here. Now, you have to decompose this into even and odd number of sequences. Okay. Decomposing the sequences in the frequency domain x of k into an even number sequences, like x of k, if you have to split here, so capital X of 2 r, and into the odd number, that is the capital X 2 r plus 1, where your r goes from 0 to n by 2. It means your length is n by 2 now, because you are splitting your sequences into two equal parts, n by 2, n by 2, n by 2 for even and n by 2 for odd. So, it will become here like x of 2r, okay, for even you are putting your what capital X of k, what this one. So, capital K is equal to 2r you are putting for even, and capital K is equal to 2r plus you are putting for the odd sequences. Okay. So, for even capital X of 2r, that is small n 0 to n by 2 minus 1. Now, x of n plus minus 1 to the power k was there in equation number 2. So, here you are putting k is equal to 2r. So, it will be minus 1 to the power 2r into x of n plus n by 2 into w n n. Now, what you are putting here? W n k. So, k is equal to 2r you are putting here. So, w n 2r n. You know minus 1 to the power 2r. So, minus 1 to the power 2r always equal to 1. So, it will be summation from n 0 to n by 2 minus 1 small x of n plus small x of n plus capital N by 2 into w n by 2. You can write this one, where your r goes from 0 to n by 2 minus 1, because your sequences you are splitting here into 2 equal parts, n by 2, n by 2. That is why you have to go from 0 to n by 2 minus 1 here. Okay. And w n square you can write here. Why I am writing this one w n square? Because w n square you can write into the w n by 2 also. Okay. And w n 2 r n you can write this one in this also. That is why you are writing this one. Now, this is for even. Okay. Now, for odd, what you are putting in equation number 2, k is equal to 2 r plus 1. Okay. Equation number 2, this was your equation number 2. Okay. Here. Then x of capital X of 2 r plus 1 is equal to summation from n 0 to n by 2 minus 1 small x of n plus minus 1 to the power 2 r plus 1 into x small n plus n by 2 into w n, what k is equal to 2 r plus 1 into n, this one. Again you have to calculate this, or you have to decompose this into 2 factors, and this equation you will, because minus 1 to the power 2 r plus 1, that is minus 1, you know very well this one. Now, you will get equation number 4. So, for even x of 2 r you will get this is equation number 3. Now, for x of 2 r plus 1, that is equation number 4 you are getting here. Now, here your equations 3 and 4 that you are getting here represent the n by 2 DFTs. Okay. Equation gives the sum of the first half and last half of the input sequences. Another equation gives the product of the w n n with the difference of the first half and last half of the input sequences. You can see here first half and last half sum you are getting here. In second part you have to get you are getting here the difference between these sequences with the w n. Okay. So, from equation number 3 you can assume here your x n plus x n plus n by 2 is equal to g n for the even, and for the odd from equation number 4 you will get h of n is equal to x n minus x of n plus n by 2. Now, g n for even and h n for odd. Now, you are splitting your sequences into 2 equal parts, n by 2, n by 2, g n and h n. Okay. So, it will go from 0 to 3. So, g 0 is equal to, if you are putting the value here from, because this g n and h n, it goes from 0 to n by 2 minus 1. Okay. Again you are taking capital N is equal to 8 point sequences you are having here. Okay. So, if you put small n is equal, so it will be x 0 plus x 4, g 1 is equal to x 1 plus x 5, g 2 is equal to x 2 plus x 6, and g 3 is equal to x 3 plus x 7. Similarly, odd sequences you will get x 0 minus x 4, because minus is there, x 1 similarly in the similar manner, similar sequences you will get x 1 minus x 5, then h 2 is equal to x 2 minus x 6, and h 3 is equal to x 3 minus x 7. So, here you are doing the first decomposition. Okay. First time you are splitting your sequences in frequency domain, that is DIF50. Now, the flow graph of the first stage of 8 point DFT computation scheme defined by equation number 3 and 4. Okay. So, at first we will see this one, because you are doing the first decomposition here. Okay. So, it will be what you are because you are decomposing frequency domain here. Okay. Frequency domain sequence x of capital X of k you are splitting here. So, n by 2 you are it means you are starting from the output side here in DIF50. In DITF50 you are splitting your sequence from the input side. That is why that was the DITF50, but it is DI50. We are splitting your sequences from the frequency domain. Okay. So, now what you are splitting your sequences into even and odd number of sequences if your n is equal to 8. Okay. So, capital X0, capital X2, capital X4, capital X4. This is the one even one part you can say, and another part will be as X1, X3, X5, X7. And n by 2 point DFT, n by 2 point DFT you are taking here. Now, corresponding this you will get G0, G1, G2, G3, and corresponding that you will get H0, H1, H2, H3. Okay. And your tidal factors corresponding Wn0, Wn1, Wn2, Wn3. Now, what we are getting the equation there, that we will see here. So, G0 is equal to what was the equation? This G0 is equal to X0 plus X4. Similarly, G1 is equal to and G2 and G3 is equal to. So, you can see here G0 is equal to X0, okay, plus X4. So, this is X4, this one. G1 is equal to X1, this X1 plus X5. So, this is your X5. G2 is equal to X2 plus this one X6, and G3 is equal to X3 plus X7. So, this is the G0, G1, G2, G3 after the taking n by 2 point DFTs. First type splitting your sequences. Okay. Similarly, you can see here what H0, H1, H2, H3. Similarly, you are getting similar way, only minus sign will be there. So, it is in summation form, this is in difference form, that is X0 minus X4, X1 minus X5, X2 minus X6, X3 minus X7. Similarly, you will see here what H0 is equal to X0 minus X4. So, X0 is coming here, okay, and X4 it is minus X0 minus X4. So, minus 1 will be there. Similarly, H1 is equal to what? X1 coming here, and this will be minus 1. Then X2 is coming here, and this will be minus 1. Then next your X3 is coming here, and this will be minus 1. So, this is the first stage of decimation or decomposition under the DIF50 algorithm if you are taking capital N is equal to 8. Now, further you have to divide n by 2 into n by 4, n by 4. For that, from equation number 3 your x of 2 r is equal to this one, okay, and g of n you are assuming what x n plus x n plus n by 2. Now, x of 2 r is equal to g n W n 2 r n, okay, because again this n by 2 sequences you are dividing into n by 4, n by 4. Okay. So, you have to go 0 to n by 4 minus 1 g n into this one, and again from second n by 4 to n by 2 minus 1, because you are splitting your n by 2 sequence. You are dividing, you are decimated, you are decomposed your n by 2 sequence into 2 equal parts. So, n by 2 by half is equal to n by 4. Okay. So, that is why I am writing here n by 4 minus and n by 4 to n by 2 minus 1. So, g n into this and g n into this, similar terms you are taking here. So, the length of this is also n by 4. So, you can take as usual from n 0 to n by 4 minus 1, okay. This is same, and this will be g n plus n by 2, w n 2 r n plus n by 4, because you know here it shows the symmetry and periodicity property also, okay, in DFT. So, n by 4 minus 1 Gn into 2 r W n 2 R n, and again this Tidal factor, okay, two terms you will get here, and you have to decompose these two factors and combine the equation here. So, this you are getting for the x of 2 r. Now, x of 2 r is equal to, you are getting this one. Okay. Now, again you have to decompose into even and odd. So, for even you are putting r is equal to L. So, it will be x of 4 L. So, if you are putting here 4 r is equal to L. So, the equation will be in this form, and our sequence goes from 0 to n by 4 minus 1. Now, you are showing this will be in the form of a n. Okay. So, this you are assuming this is the a n, and a n is equal to g n plus g n plus by 4. Okay. So, now if you are putting, and it will go from 0 to n by 4 minus 1, here n is equal to 8. Okay. So, 8 by 4 it means 2, 2 means 0 and 1. Okay. So, a 0 and a 1 you will calculate here, and after the putting the value you will get a 0 and a 1 value in terms of g n, g 0, g 2 and g 1, g 3. Okay. Similarly, you are putting r is equal to L plus 1 for odd, because this is for the even. So, again you can calculate, but minus n will be there. Okay. The same the remaining things are similar here. Okay. And you have to decompose your Tidal factors, and you are assuming here this is like a b n. So, b of n is equal to g n minus g n plus n by 4. Again you have to put b 0 and b n in terms of g 0 and g n sequence. Okay. So, b 0 is equal to g 0 minus g 2 and b 1 is equal to g 1 minus g 3. So, similarly you are calculating here for second decomposition here for DIF FFT algorithm. Now, similarly equation number 4 you have to decompose. Okay. So, again that was for g of n, this is for h of n, you can decompose. So, h of n is equal to 0 to n by 4 minus 1, n by 4 to n by 2 minus 1, then you can take the common and you will have the this final equation for this, okay, from the equation number 4 for h of n, because that was for small g of n. Again h of n you have to decompose into two equal parts. Okay. Now, this will be the equation, and after the second stage of decimation, this type of flow graph you will get here. Okay. Now, x 0 x 4, okay. This is the your n by 4 point DFT or 2 point DFT you can say, then x 2 x 6 corresponding 2 point DFT here. This is a 0 a 1, b 0 b 1, similarly c 0 c 1 and d 0 d 1. Okay. So, in this way your second stage you are getting here. Okay. First stage you are I hope it is clear to everybody, like g 0, g 1, g 2, g 3 and h 0, h 1, h 2, h 3 you are getting here. So, in this way, in this flow graph what you are getting two stage of decimation here. Okay. Second stage of, at the last we will come on the third and last stage of decimation. Why I am saying 3? Because your n is equal to 8. 8 means 2 to the power 3. So, you have to decimate your sequences into 3 times. Okay. 3 times, that is why. So, this was the your second decomposition you can say. Now, in the final stage, at the last stage, single terms will be there, okay, and this is the stage number 3, and this is what it is called your butterfly structure, direct connection and indirect connection you can say. So, this value you will get this plus this, and this value you will get what, this plus this. Generally it will be plus 1 and this is minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1, because it is the last stage of decimation, and individually you can represent this one. Okay. And this was your second stage of decimation that I explained in my previous PPTs, and this was the your first stage of decimation. So, in this, and this is for the n is equal to 8. So, this will be your final flow graph for DIFFT algorithm for n is equal to 8. Okay. You can take easily here. Now, these are the stages that you can take. Now, I hope it is clear to everybody how you design your DIFFT algorithm. So, here you are splitting, you are decomposing, you are decimating your frequency domain sequences, and you are finding, you are making a structure for calculating the Fourier transform for discrete time sequences. Now, in DIFFT what you are doing? You are doing here again, this is your x of k, this is your small x of n. Okay. You are splitting your x of k into smaller sequences and you are making a structure here, but you are starting splitting from the output side. Since in case of DITFFT you are splitting your sequence from the input side. Okay. And DITFFT and DIFFT, these will be the transpose structure in each other also. The main objective and motto of both the algorithms are same. What? They generally they are required for designing, for calculating Fourier transform for discrete time sequences, but the process is opposite. Okay. In which in first or DITFFT you can say you are splitting your time domain sequences. Okay. DITFFT, and in DIFFT what? You are splitting, you are decimating or you are decomposing what? Your frequency domain sequence, because and you are calculating both the times what? Your Fourier transform of discrete time sequence. So, these are the references, you can refer these books for these contents, and for my all the contents you can refer the Prokis, book of Prokis. It is a very important and very famous book of digital signal processing. Okay. All the fundamentals and basic concepts are given in the Prokis book. Okay. Johnson and Johnson, Mitra, Salivahanan, Schaeffer, and all the books. Okay. You can refer. Thank you very much.